Why does sleep feel like a nightly battle? The room is dark, but your eyes are still wide open. Why? Because the natural signal that once told your brain it's time to sleep might have gone quiet. Deep inside your brain, there's a hidden timer. And when it goes out of sync, even your most exhausted nights can feel restless. And the key to this entire puzzle might lie in a silent guardian, one that stays awake in the dark and holds the secret to deep sleep. Its name is melatonin. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Syeda Quadri, a U.S. Board-Certified Psychiatrist, and I've been working in the field of mental health for the past 15 years. Today, we're diving deep into melatonin. What is it, and why is it so essential for your sleep? Melatonin is a natural hormone produced by a tiny gland in your brain called the pineal gland. Its primary job, to regulate your body's internal clock, also known as your circadian rhythm. That's the system that decides when you should feel sleepy and when it's time to wake up. How does melatonin work? When night falls and darkness sets in, melatonin levels begin to rise. That's your body's cue. It's bedtime. But when morning comes, or you're exposed to bright light, melatonin levels drop. This signals your brain to wake up and feel alert. Here's the catch. If you're surrounded by artificial light at night, like phones, laptops, or TV screens, or if your sleep schedule is disrupted by things like jet lag, then your natural melatonin rhythm can get thrown off and falling asleep becomes a challenge. Now, let's talk about the 10 proven techniques to help you fall asleep faster and naturally boost your melatonin without medications. 1. Create a calming nighttime routine. Doing something peaceful before bed, like taking a warm shower, listening to soft music, or reading a few pages of a book, helps your brain unwind. It reduces stress and naturally boosts melatonin, your sleep hormone. 2. Limit screen time before bed. Scrolling your phone or watching TV late at night tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. That blue light stops melatonin production. So, shut off screens at least 1 hour before bed, or use a blue light filter if needed. 3. Set up a sleep-friendly bedroom. Your environment matters more than you think. Keep your room cool around 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. Blackout curtains, soft lighting, and no noise can tell your brain it's time to rest. 4. Get sunlight during the day. A dose of morning sunlight resets your body's internal clock. Just 20 to 30 minutes outdoors signals your brain that the day has begun. This helps melatonin rise at the right time in the evening so you fall asleep easier. 5. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day trains your body's natural rhythm. Inconsistency, like late nights and weekend sleep-ins, confuses your system, but a regular schedule, steady melatonin flow deeper sleep. 6. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Caffeine keeps your brain alert. Alcohol may make you sleepy, but it messes up your sleep quality. Avoid coffee, tea, sodas, or alcohol at least 4 to 6 hours before bedtime to give your body time to unwind and allow melatonin to do its job so you can sleep deeper and better. 7. Try meditation or mindfulness. Just 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness, deep breathing, or even prayer can calm racing thoughts. These simple practices lower stress, which often blocks melatonin. Less stress, more natural melatonin, easier sleep. 8. Use relaxation techniques. When your body is tense, your brain stays alert. Gentle yoga stretches, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided breathing help your nervous system slow down. This gives melatonin the space to rise and helps you fall asleep faster. 9. Avoid heavy meals at night. A big dinner close to bedtime activates digestion and raises your body temperature, both of which disturb melatonin. Eat dinner 2 to 3 hours before bed to allow your sleep cycle to flow naturally. 10. Consider melatonin supplements. If natural methods aren't enough, a low-dose melatonin supplement, 0.5 to 3 milligrams, taken 30 to 60 minutes before bed, can help in situations like jet lag or shift work, but don't rely on it long-term. Always consult your doctor before starting. Now let's look at 5 natural ways that boost the melatonin hormone. 1. Get daily sunlight exposure. Your melatonin cycle actually begins in the morning. One of the strongest triggers is sunlight. Stepping outside within 1 to 2 hours of waking helps set your body's internal clock so that melatonin rises naturally at night. And after sunset, try to reduce bright lighting to signal your body it's bedtime soon. 2. Eat a melatonin-boosting diet. Certain foods directly contain melatonin, and others provide nutrients like tryptophan and magnesium, which help produce it, like tart cherries, walnuts, almonds, bananas, and fatty fish like salmon. These nourish your nervous system and support natural melatonin release in the evening. 3. Take a warm bath before bed. A warm bath 1 to 2 hours before sleep helps your body relax. As your body cools down afterward, melatonin naturally increases. which makes it easier to fall asleep. 4. Limit artificial light at night. Blue light from phones, laptops, or bright overhead lights can stop melatonin production. Try reducing screen time after 9 p.m. and use dim, warm lighting, like red or amber tones, to help your brain wind down. 5. Manage stress in healthy ways. High stress means high cortisol, and cortisol blocks melatonin. Daily habits, like walking, deep breathing, journaling, or talking to a friend help lower stress and send your brain the right signal for sleep. Melatonin is a silent hormone. It works best when your body follows a natural rhythm of light food and calm. If you stick to these 10 simple habits, you'll start noticing deeper sleep, better mood, and a calmer mind. Small changes and long-term healing. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with someone struggling to sleep, and comment below which one of these habits will you start today. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next health video.